That's his shit. He had it in front of the...
Putnam County, Florida. A man is inside a Walmart with a knife on his hip. He does not know the officers are already watching. This episode examines 3 legal questions. When is retail theft legally complete? What obligations attach once a suspect is in custody? And what the law requires when officers handle a detainee's personal property.
Door, so we brought it in here to get it out of the way. He's got a $40 to $60 flashlight down in front of his pants, and he's got a big pocket knife right here.
Okay.
So we're not allowed to...
Where's he at?
He's right in the customer service desk right now.
He's gonna make his way over here soon. Once he passes you could just snatch him up because we can't make contact with him.
All right.
Maybe we'll step out there.
Yeah. Good morning.
What you got, brother?
So this individual right here came in the store, went to the jewelry, looked around, went to sporting goods, and grabbed the flashlight and shoved it down his pants. He should be on his way up here because that's his buggy right there. After this, he's probably
Definitely going to come out of the store, so we can just wait for him.
It was just a flashlight?
Yeah, and there he does have a large pocket knife on his left hip, so just letting you know. It's right here.
Is that right there?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm assuming he used it to cut the open.
No, he shoved the whole package down his pants.
Yeah, you didn't even say that.
Yeah, he just went.
Flashlight? What you got, brother?
So this individual right here came in the store.
All right, he's moving.
See where he goes. So you got money, you couldn't pay for a flashlight. You want to go grab him?
All right, come.
He's going to the bathroom. Like my other bathroom scene.
Yeah, same one.
Officers know that.
What's the matter? What are you trying to do?
Just stop, come on.
Your hands behind your back.
Don't do anything stupid, Bubba.
What did I do?
You're being detained for retail theft, okay? Yeah, that was in your pants.
Flashlight's laying right beside you. Just relax, man, all right? Just listen.
I'm just thinking about taking it, but
Okay.
how long am I going to jail for?
Anybody say you're going to jail, Bubba? You just need to take it now. That's all it is.
So it's bad.
Don't worry about that yet. We'll just get him up. You ain't gotta worry about double locking. He's got that knife on his side now.
I'm sorry.
Alright, you're in there, man.
You can get in the office, you can do all that.
The central legal issue is the concealment doctrine. Florida's retail theft statute, Section 8, 12.015, defines the offense as taking possession of or concealing merchandise with intent to deprive the merchant of its value. The statute does not require a suspect to exit the store. The moment merchandise is concealed on the body with that intent, the offense is complete. This rule is followed across the majority of American jurisdictions. The subject's claim that he had not yet left the store is legally irrelevant. Concealment was the act. Concealment was the crime. Officers intercepted the subject in the store bathroom rather than on the open sales floor. The subject was confirmed to be carrying a large pocket knife on his left hip. A confrontation in a crowded retail environment with an armed suspect creates unnecessary risk to bystanders. The bathroom provided a controlled space with limited civilian exposure. That decision was tactically sound.
Boss man, you still got that front flashlight down the front of your pants?
Or is
You do?
that one? Or?
No, he's got it
Oh, he has
down the
another
front of his pants.
Yeah.
That was the one that was in his...
I've been in jail for a
That's
long
not fair.
time.
Get close.
I didn't know I got more money off the scratch off the casework, but there's no excuse. I'm tired of people taking my stuff and having it all the time. But it's not an excuse. I'm trying to call you pay for it. I'm broke, but and even if I do go to jail, I do appreciate what y'all are doing. I'm not for me, but I do appreciate what y'all are doing.
That one right there? His pocket right there? Yeah.
I'll tell you a story about it. Yeah.
I would just open it just to be sure. But even though you can't feel it, I would just open it.
You have a Miranda card?
Everything you touch with his gloves, and I'm touching that. I think we're beyond that point.
All this is personal stuff?
Tell me to reach your
Miranda will log all that for us.
You have to write
See, already
the
log all that stuff for us.
If you say you can, it will be used. Or to have an attorney present, all questioning will be stopped at your request. Do you understand these rights? Do you waive these rights? And are you willing to talk to me? Yes.
Prior to any formal questioning, officers administered Miranda warnings as required under Miranda versus Arizona, decided in 1966. The Supreme Court established that custodial interrogation without a prior advisement renders subsequent statements inadmissible. The subject waived his rights and agreed to speak. That waiver was voluntary, knowing, and intelligent on its face. Every admission he made after that point is available as evidence, including his acknowledgement that concealing the item was wrong and his disclosure of prior similar conduct.
Thank you. Breathe, bro. We all need to breathe. Go ahead, take a couple deep breaths. Come on. All right.
So, that's what you took as the flashlight? Can you maybe let me pay for it? That's how it works. I didn't even go out of the store.
You concealed it.
Concealed it in your pants. So I was going to pay for it.
You put stuff in your pants and you are about to buy stuff?
So hold it.
And you spend a whole 5 or 10 minutes at customer service with it in your pants?
So I wanted to see if I have the money to pay for it.
Then the proper thing would do is to leave it out and go back and get it, correct? Not stick it in your pants and conceal it so nobody can see that you have it. Right?
Well, I would just take it out. We
Okay.
It's too late, yeah. Once you conceal merchandise on your person, that's it. What was your intention to go into Walmart?
don't forget you get his information.
You said what? I can't hear you. What were your intentions of going to Walmart? Like, what'd you come to Walmart for?
I don't know.
See what other phone is here.
Huh?
See what other phone is here.
To see if your other phone was here?
I don't know.
You had the money to pay for it.
See what other phone is here.
Yeah, you just got that money. You got to order
To see if
special.
your other
They went,
phone was here?
no, didn't even try. Didn't even try.
What's your name, sir?
Stephen Michael Lowry.
That does sound familiar too.
Date of birth.
From?
You hold that for me?
You
got somebody you can call come get this stuff?
Stephen, you're homeless?
Can I please pay for it?
You had that opportunity. Are you homeless?
But y'all don't have to press charges.
Actually, I do because it's over the certain dollar amount. So I'm gonna ask you a question that I ask everybody that comes in here. How many times have you done this and not gotten caught? How many is a couple? 2, 10? come in every morning? Because that flashlight sitting right there, that coast flashlight, you probably didn't pay for that, did you?
Yes, I did.
And then that $40 battery pack on your backpack, you probably didn't pay for that, did you?
I still haven't put them on.
Come on, man.
Are you sure about
I'm
that?
positive.
Let me, how many cameras do you think I have in this store?
Okay, I haven't put them on.
I have 300 cameras in here, inside and out. If you're lying to me, I'll find it and I'll put more charges on you.
I understand.
So that flashlight and that battery pack, who's that belong to?
Me.
You paid for it.
Yes. I
Okay.
did not steal that.
All right. You know I can put some information on my computer and pull up every transaction you ever made.
I understand.
All right. So if you're lying to me, I'm gonna put more charges on you.
Well, I didn't pay for those here.
Huh?
I didn't pay for those here in this store.
What?
That flashlight and battery pack.
Oh, it don't matter what store. I have access to every Walmart store everywhere.
Okay, that doesn't mean that. That doesn't mean that. Maybe that doesn't mean that. That doesn't mean.
Did you run his information?
All I'm asking from you is honesty.
Did you run through dispatch?
Honesty goes a long way with
Wanted or
me.
anything?
That's the difference between
No, I
more
paid for it
charges
for
and
some
less
weed.
charges.
Okay, I paid for it for some weed. And I didn't want to say that.
See if he has an M&I or some shit.
Weed is weed, man. It ain't even.
I know, but-
I mean, that ain't no big deal.
Have you ever been trespassing somewhere, man?
Never lived anywhere else.
How don't you get rid of the vodka?
I just got my disability back and I was able to rent the room. But I haven't been able to get the room yet because I have to be able to wait until the direct deposit comes in on the 3rd. But I've got it turned back on. So now I just have to wait until the 3rd.
Alright.
Steven, did you walk here or did you drive here?
No, no.
I don't know how you got with that.
That's all I'm saying. I don't believe that for shit. I don't believe that for shit. You're gonna walk all with that? No. No, not even close. You're gonna walk with all
We
that?
didn't drive, that's for sure. Not with all that stuff.
I don't know what his plan was. How are you gonna leave with all that? You can't. Steven, what year were you born?
Huh?
82?
First time.
Until you're 88?
Yeah, because I even wrote it down.
Why'd you say 88?
He told you 88?
Yeah.
I think multiple people heard 88. You didn't mean to?
It's on body camera, buddy.
You mix your
I know what that when I was born it might came out wrong.
So I guess he paid for all that.
That's all he yeah.
this is all stuff you brought in the store.
That's all he
That's
brought in the
all
store?
belongings.
So it has to be safe kept. So luckily we have CRA here.
No.
They gotta do an inventory.
With an SUV.
Oh, with an SUV, that's
He's
right.
lying. Don't have a trunk. I hope you know that. My SUV is full. I'm sorry.
They have a what?
I have a shaved ice
What?
machine. Yeah, I have a shaved ice machine in the back of my car right now.
Wait, what was the other one? Oh, was it cotton candy?
Didn't I talk to you, Steven, over there by the Spin City with you and your friends? When all three of y'all have warrants out of Ohio?
Bags in down.
Fairly certain it was you.
Still see it.
Yeah.
I get an actual bag for his property. I could push it out and then you can.
You're real funny, dude. Go ahead and keep laughing.
Let's go.
Coming out.
What up, Tiger?
Need to run the iPad.
Yeah, I usually do first appearance the next morning.
Yeah. You ever been to our jail? Alright. Whatever they tell you to do, just do it. They have no problem tossing you around if you don't listen. Because Putnam is very known for that. So if they tell you to do something, just do it. It's not worth it. There's nothing else on you, right? Okay, they're gonna put you through a scanner. If it shows up anything, and I mean anything, it's a felony charge. So anything in your ass, any of that bullshit, they're gonna find it. They're gonna see it. It's a charge. How much money do you have?
51.
51. So anytime you do with money, I'm accountant. Always double check. Always have another officer count it.
Okay.
That way it's on body cam, and then you tell them, hey, this is what I got. That way they can't go back and say, oh, he took my money. You did it in front of him. Now he knows. And then you tell him, hey man, it's 51. We counted it. Both of us did. If you have any issue, look at our body cam.
There's 51 in there.
Yeah, you're good. It helps you a lot. That way they can't go back and say, oh, you stole my money. It's a liability. It happens all the time. So yes.
During identification, the subject provided a birth year of 1988 before correcting himself to 1982. Officers documented the discrepancy on body camera in real time. Providing false identifying information to a law enforcement officer is a separate criminal offense under Section 837.05 of Florida's Criminal Code. No additional charge was filed. But the false statement was captured and it directly undermined the subject's credibility. A senior officer demonstrated proper cash counting procedure on camera, counting currency with a second officer present, then confirming the total allowed to the subject. This practice protects officers from later accusations of mishandling property. It is a basic evidentiary safeguard, and executing it on body camera is exactly the standard the job requires. The responding officers receive a grade of B+. Coordination with loss prevention was methodical. The bathroom intercept was justified given the confirmed presence of a weapon. Miranda was administered correctly, and the waiver was properly obtained. Cash was documented on camera. The one deduction, an officer told the subject the charge applied because the item exceeded a certain dollar amount. Under that same retail theft statute, petite theft of the second degree carries no minimum dollar floor. Any concealment with intent to deprive qualifies. The explanation was imprecise. It did not change the outcome. But accuracy matters. Stephen Laurie receives a grade of D. Store surveillance captured the concealment act in full. He remained on premises for several minutes afterward, including at the customer service counter, which eliminates any claim of impulsive conduct. He provided a false date of birth. He admitted prior thefts. He claimed homelessness while a vehicle sat in the parking lot. His post-waiver statements compounded an already documented case. Physical compliance during the arrest is the only factor above an F. 3 takeaways. First, concealment completes the offense. Staying inside the store afterward is legally irrelevant. Second, a valid Miranda waiver makes every subsequent statement admissible. The right to silence exists precisely to prevent this outcome. Third, false identifying information is a standalone charge. Body cameras document everything. The time to reconsider is before the act, not during the arrest. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.